Yeah, bro. Oh my God, everything's on video, bro. Hey YouTube fam, this is Robert with Coastal GX. Today we're back in Port Mansfield with Captain Frank Cavazos, my cousin, El Primo Marcos. We got new friends, Joe and Rene, and we're gonna be going about 8 miles out offshore, and we're gonna be targeting some red snapper and maybe anything else that comes across. This is the first time I ever do this, and raise your hands if this is your first time. Oh man, yeah, everybody, I'm glad the captain didn't raise his hand, man, I'll just say that. But anyway, we're gonna head on out there. We already gassed up, already got our bait and our ice, and we're ready to go, man. Oh, I can't wait to do this. Hey guys, so we made it across that channel. We're out here offshore. How many miles do you think, Captain? About 8 miles, like he said. This is where he brought us. Now the good thing is that we have another couple of boats out here, just in case something were to happen. We have, you know, it's a safety in numbers concept. Now we have our captain here. Captain, what are you prepping us for, man?
Oh man, just get some bottom rigs going and try to get some snapper. See what's going on down there. But we'll see how it goes.
And your instructions to us was, hey, let it go all the way to the bottom?
all the way down, and then give it a few cranks up and get it off the bottom. Most of these snapper are about 8 feet off the ground, and just get them. You can sit on that ice chest right there, bro, and that blue one, or right there, that's fine, wherever you want.
Around how many feet are we?
We're about 68, 70 feet.
Almost 70 feet.
You already hit the bottom?
Yeah.
Looks like it's hit the bottom, right?
It's better you just sit down, man. Yeah, you already hit the bottom.
Yeah.
Now give it a few cranks up. So you feel the weight there.
Right there?
Yeah.
We got a brief instruction from the captain, and Marco got his first bite. Marco is on. Marco's on. He's got something going on here. We were about to pick up and look at him. Oh, yeah, he got him. First snapper, guys. There it is. Good job, Marco. It's at the bottom, Marco?
Yeah. Very, very bottom.
Okay. Marco's caught the fish at the bottom of the seafloor, so we made some adjustments.
Come on, dude.
Quería.
Pa eso vino.
Come on, that's going on the channel right now, bro. It's recording.
Right, that's what it was.
No?
It's a good one still.
More bites, more bites. Both Marco and I getting those bites. If they don't want to commit. Look how beautiful the water is, guys. The captain was right on the money. He said it was going to get even smoother. Even smoother.
No te cases a GoPro.
No, you know. Rene was on again, and my camera equipment wasn't following commands. That's when I started feeling the bites on my line. Mira ya. There's an intro. Yeah, I'm getting bites here too. Come on, man. Come on. Commit.
You start eating?
What the hell happened there?
Cannibalism.
Oh shit.
You're on, no?
Yeah. GoPro, start recording. Oh yeah. La madre.
Are you stuck on a rock, bro?
No. Ya se fue, no.
No.
I hope this thing is recording, man. It's gonna piss me off. There it is.
Eso para tomar hasta para catch and release, ¿no?
Is that a 15er, you think?
Yeah, well, that's like a 20.
My very first red snapper. Unfortunately, my main camera refused to work and I didn't get the better angle. Okay, guys, so the action was nonstop. It was one after another. Everybody was on at the same time. A lot of chaos on the boat. And now everything's kind of slowed down, and the captain is basically putting us in different positions, trying to see if he can, you know, get on those snapper once again. But look at how smooth everything is, even more so than how it started earlier this morning. Let me see what time it is. It's already 9:30, and look at how beautiful it is out here. Yeah, that is our Coast Guard working on a buoy. Coast Guard working on a buoy right behind us. They might be doing some fishing too. I don't know. I'm just saying. We couldn't find any snapper at that spot, but Captain Frank caught a toothy baby. You know what species that is?
This is a blacktip.
Blacktip. We're moving. Oh, yeah, yeah, it's on. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Oh, mira qué bonito. Damn. Come on. Come on. Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint Daddy. Oh, yeah. This doesn't feel as heavy as the other, so it might be a smaller one. You see those fish? I don't know if you can see them.
We decided to call it a day when a special kind of fish decided to show up.
Oh, you know? Oh, that's that link. Get it. Is she still around?
In the corner.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Where is she?
Acá in front of the boat.
está Marco?
Here, get your bait out, brother.
Yeah. Got it? No.
She's on it.
Hey, badass. Look here. Oh, ¿La miras, Bobby?
Yeah, bro. Oh my God, everything's on video, bro.
Caught me off, dude.
You got away?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's all video, bro.
So what were you expecting? A happy ending? Well, it was a happy ending for the beautiful Cobia, no doubt. We still captured the moment with that epic drone shot, so we're happy. The sun was beating down on us, and we decided to take it in.
First time going out with Captain Frank Bosses. Great experience.
It was amazing. First time out here. It's pretty cool.
Okay, Captain, if somebody wants to come and have the experience, the same adventure that we did, how can they get a hold of you?
You can contact me at area code 956-793-4870. I do mainly inshore, but when the time's right, I'll go offshore. Get up, get out, do something, man.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed our offshore fishing adventure right now.
I think it's definitely going to be one of my favorite episodes ever. Today, I'm excited. I wanted to wrap up the video by telling you that I'm doing my very first giveaway on the channel. And I have these recovery boards from Ironman right here. They're valued at $249. And I want to be giving them away to a very special subscriber out there. I'm also going to be giving away one of my fishing shirts and one of our fishing buffs, as well as a second and third prize. All you have to do is go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that in this video you hit that like button. Make sure that when you leave a comment, you put hashtag CoastalGX together. Hashtag CoastalGX in the comment section in order to participate. Go to my Instagram page, follow me there. You'll see the description right here. And you will also need to go to my Facebook page at CoastalGX East Cut Adventures and follow me there as well. I will be announcing the winner, which, by the way, unfortunately, you're gonna have to meet up with me here in the McAllen area. So I cannot ship these out. They're way too expensive to ship out. But what I can do is I can meet you in the McAllen area and go ahead and give you your prize. While you're at it, if you want to check out my merchandise, go ahead and check out our shirts. I have I have the Teespring website where you can see these other different t-shirts, other cool logos. And I also have the fishing shirts with the buffs. That's a different website that you guys can go in there, and it's always good to support your local YouTubers. I also have stickers in there, and I'd really appreciate your support. Anyway, I have a lot more content coming your way. Major changes to Sandy. Major changes coming to Sandy in the next few weeks. I will be covering some of that stuff on my channel. So hopefully you guys will tune in and check us out. Thank you so much.